Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another contact try on. It has been a while since I've done one of these. I think it's been about, probably over 6 months, but Color CL, they were kind enough to send me more contacts to showcase to you guys. So I'm going to be showing you guys the Crystal Edition collection from Siesta. This particular collection dropped at the beginning of March. They sent me 10 pairs to show you guys. I have worked with this company several times. It's coming up on 2 years. I initially bought some contacts myself and I did a review and I did a try on for you guys, and they saw my video. It had a lot of good reception from you guys and they started sending me PR. So I appreciate you guys for supporting those videos, and I appreciate Color CL for sending me these contacts. Before I get into the try on, I just wanted to tell you guys my favorite from their brand, and it's the ones that I have in right now. I actually bought these myself. I bought these in January or February, and I've been wearing them in every single video for the past two months. These contacts last 6 months. They can be prescription if you need them to be. I needed mine to be, and if you don't need prescription, you just get negative 0.00 or just something that says 0.00. They have that option for you guys. I haven't had any issues with my contacts over the last 2 years that I've been using them. The only thing is, wearing them fresh out the pack is probably not the best idea. I would suggest, unless you have somewhere to be, what I do is I soak mine overnight. I use the Clear Care, I use the Clear Care 3% hydrogen peroxide cleaning and disinfecting solution with triple action cleaning, and it usually comes with a holder. You don't want to use the regular lens holder that's flat. You need one of these with the neutralizing wheel at the bottom. So I use this and I let my contacts soak for at least 6 hours. I do this every night when I take my contacts out. So this is what let me zoom in. This is what it looks like. So you have an area for the right contact and the left contact, and you just put them in there. You pour your solution in this container and you fill it up to the line that's in there, and you let your contacts soak for at least 6 hours. And that's been working for me. I feel like you don't get a really good clean from just sitting them in the little lens holders that come with contacts, or that you can just buy, you know, from the store. I don't feel like they're as sanitary. And before you put your contacts in, please make sure your hands are clean. A lot of people ask me, how do you put in contacts with long nails? Because I wear long nails all the time. So this is how I put in contacts with my long nails. So I pull down my eye. Let me zoom in. I have in Siesta Cloud Brown right now. Okay, so before I put them back in, this is what my natural brown eye looks like right here versus the Siesta Cloud Brown. I feel like it's a really nice natural color if you want something that's a little bit more subtle, instead of going with like a blue or a pink or something like that. So that's what my brown eye looks like. My brown eyes look like. And what I do is I just put the contact on my finger. It's just like if you have shorter nails, you just have to be a little bit more careful with long nails. And then I look away. I don't look directly at my finger. I kind of look up or away at something else. And then I just push my lower lid up and it'll come into place. Now I have had people ask me like, how do you avoid the frog eye? And that's when your contacts, they're not all the way on top of your iris and it looks kind of weird. You just have to, you know, move it around to get it to your liking. So it's very easy to put them on with your fingers, but some people are scared to touch their eyeballs, and I get it. So they sent me like these lens holders, really cute lens holders. Oh, and they have one of those, I don't know if they'll send everybody this, but they have one of those things in theirs. Like the little device to apply them to make it a little bit easier. They sent one in here too, so that's cool. And I guess people use these tongs to get them out. Let me see if that works. Cause that would be... Oh, there you go. That came out pretty easy. I think this probably comes with everybody's order. Tongs, they have like a rubber end to it, so it's not like you're putting something hard on your eye. Yeah, that was easy. I'm gonna use their little suction thing to put mine back in. That is so much more convenient to use that tool instead of my hand for some reason. Sometimes my hand is just more difficult. So I'm going to start putting in all of my contacts. the contacts from the Siesta Crystal Edition collection. If you are interested in any of these contacts, I'll list the names of them down below. Be sure to use my code HeartsandCake10 and you'll save 10% and you'll be helping my channel. And shout out to Color CL for sending me these contacts to showcase to you guys. So make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.